Yo, what it is, man? It's your boy City, man. I'm back with another dog video, man. I know it's been a minute. Hey, all this corona stuff almost over with. I had to fall back for a minute, but hey, look, man, this is a snack for my dogs, man. I caught a nice little sale on it. Nice little snack for my dogs, man. I just thought I was just, know what I'm saying, drop this little video for y'all, man. But hey, nice little snack for the dogs, man. They're gonna eat pretty good. I just, you know. Caught a nice little sale on it, man. Nice little sale. At your local food right. You dig? But I need y'all to like and subscribe to this channel, man. It's just a little snack. I'm about to get them. They already ate, so I'm gonna give them a little snack. I got my kennels finished. I will be giving y'all the video up on that, man. I'm back like I never left, man. Come with this work. I know y'all need to see that work, man. So I'm just showing y'all, man. This is a little snack for the dogs, man. I'm gonna start getting to them once a week. Probably every Thursday, since I'm doing it on a Thursday. So I'm probably gonna give them this every Thursday. It's just a little snack for them. I know y'all probably looking, man, that's a big snack. Well, I'll probably get it to them every other week. Since it's so much, I think I'm gonna do it every other week since it's so much. Just give them a little snack, man. But I gotta come back with this work, man. I got a lot of videos. I just gotta edit them, man. Get back right.